Hi, I'm Nathan with Residential Warranty Services, and we're a nationwide licensed home warranty company. We operate throughout the U.S. and Canada, and we have about 5,000 home inspectors out there that we consider business partners. They're certified inspection experts, and they offer a variety of things. You, as a real estate agent, you may have seen an inspector offering sewer guard or 90-day warranties, or even maybe a recall check report. We've only done several million of these, and they're all free repairs, so nothing to get in the way of a transaction. Something you may not have seen if you haven't experienced an inspection from one of the top inspectors in the country, like the Inspectagator in Orlando, my friend Jon Bolton, is a 5-year roof leak protection plan. That's right, not a 90-day or a 1-year warranty, a 5-year roof leak protection plan. And why is this important to you as an agent? Why should you be looking at a home inspector that offers 5 years of roof leak protection rather than an inspector who offers, for usually around the same price, an inspection that has no warranty at all? Well, I think the answer to that is pretty obvious. It's because you care about your clients and your reputation and your ongoing referrals, maybe even your liability. And this stuff works. Let me tell you about a client, Alexis, in St. Cloud, Florida. She moved in. It was over a year after she moved into the house that her roof started leaking. Now, if she had gotten just any home inspection, and she called them, they would say, sorry, it's been a year. I haven't seen the house since then. It wasn't leaking when I was there. This is not something that we cover. It's not something we're going to participate in the solution for. In Alexis's case, she had a policy from the Inspectagator, from one of our certified inspection experts, that covers roof leaks for 5 full years. She called us. We paid for the repair. That simple. Now, if you're a real estate agent and you're not understanding exactly what we're talking about here, if you haven't experienced one of over 20% of all real estate transactions throughout the U.S. and Canada that involve one or more of these products, you need to go to thesavvyagent.net. Thesavvyagent.net. You'll find an electronic version of this book. It's a short read. It's only about 20 minutes, but it explains all of the benefits to agents and clients of utilizing a home inspector that has these coverages. And I want to tell you something else that Jon Bolton does. If you get an inspection with him, you get 18 months of a home warranty from my company, Residential Warranty Services, for the price of 12, and there are no pre-existing conditions. There's no excuses. And if it's about protecting the client, it's about saving your reputation, you need to take control of that. You need to make sure that your vendor partners are standing behind your clients and standing behind you. If you need a recommendation to a home inspector anywhere throughout the U.S. and Canada, drop me a line, nathan@nathan.tv, or join the conversation at homeinspectionforum.net.